Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. When we were discussing the rules of Noon Sakina or Mim Sakina, there was always a mention of Ghunnah, holding of the Ghunnah or the timing of the Ghunnah. And today, inshallah, we will discuss all the rules related to Ghunnah. But before we jump into the rules, let's see what exactly is Ghunnah. A Ghunnah is a nasal sound that comes from the nasal passage, that is our nose, and it is associated with only two Arabic letters, and those letters are Noon and Mim. Ghunnah cannot be separated from these two letters. It is a permanent characteristic of Noon and Mim. That means whether these letters are voweled or sakin, Ghunnah is their compulsory part, and this also includes the Noon Sakina hidden in Tanween. It comes from the opening of the nose that connects with the back of the mouth. You cannot give letter Mim or letter Noon without Ghunnah, and you can experience this if you close your nostrils and try to emit the sound. If we practice letter Noon by closing our nostrils, the sound will be like this. We cannot give proper Noon. And if we take the example of letter Mim and we close our nostrils, the sound will be like this. We cannot give proper Mim. Ghunnah is a compulsory part for letter Noon and Mim. By adding Ghunnah with these two letters, we can give the sound properly, like this. An, an, We have four different levels or ranks of Ghunnah. The first one is the most complete Ghunnah, also called Ghunnah Akmal. The second one is complete Ghunnah, Ghunnah Kamila. The third one is incomplete Ghunnah, Ghunnah Naqisah. The fourth one is most incomplete Ghunnah, Ghunnah Anqas. And inshallah, now we will see their details. The first one is most complete Ghunnah. It is the longest Ghunnah. That means we hold this Ghunnah, the nasal sound, for the longest period of time. And we give most complete Ghunnah when there is Noon Shadda or Mim Shadda. And it also includes the idgham of Noon Sakina or Tanween when followed by one of the Yanmu letters. In these two cases, when we give Ghunnah, that Ghunnah is considered as most complete Ghunnah. We hold that Ghunnah for the longest time. Let's see these examples and practice it. The first one is Ay yu'minu. Ay yu'minu. When I am doing idgham of letter Noon Sakina into letter Ya with Ghunnah, that Ghunnah I have to hold for the longest time, and I have to recite it like this. Ay yu'minu. And the next example, Mim has a shadda, and this falls into the category of most complete Ghunnah. I will hold this Ghunnah for the longest time and recite it like this. Mimma, mimma. In the next example, you can see idgham of Mim Sakina happening here. That's why this Mim acquires a shadda. You will give most complete Ghunnah here and recite it like this. Minkum mu'min, minkum mu'min. In the next example, you can see letter Noon has a shadda. We will give most complete Ghunnah here. We stretch the Ghunnah for the longest time and recite it like this. An-nasi, an-nasi. The next level is complete Ghunnah or Ghunnah Kamila. This is the second longest Ghunnah. Complete Ghunnah is not as long as the most complete Ghunnah. That means we hold the Ghunnah for some time, but that time should be less than the timing of the most complete Ghunnah. And we give complete Ghunnah when there is ikhfa of Noon Sakina or ikhfa ash-shafawi, which is ikhfa of Mim Sakina, or if there is iqlab. So when Noon Sakina or Mim Sakina are followed by ikhfa letters, or Noon Sakina is followed by letter Ba, in that case, the Ghunnah is complete Ghunnah, Ghunnah Akmal, and that Ghunnah is shorter in timing than most complete Ghunnah. And we will see some examples here. In this example, Mim Sakina is in an ikhfa condition. We will hold this Ghunnah for some time, but that timing should be less than the timing of most complete Ghunnah. We will recite it like this. رسلهم بالبينات. In the next example, there is an ikhfa of nun sakina here. Then again, you can see nun sakina is followed by letter ta. Nun sakina in an ikhfa condition. And in both places, we will give complete ghunnah and we will recite it like this. In kuntum. In the next example, nun sakina is in an ikhfa condition. We will give the timing of complete ghunnah and recite it like this. Al-insani. In the next example, we have the conditions of iqlab. We will give complete ghunnah and recite it like this. Mim ba'di. So the complete ghunnah is the second longest ghunnah and its timing should be shorter than the most complete ghunnah. The third rank is incomplete ghunnah or ghunnah naqisah. This ghunnah is shorter in timing than the complete ghunnah and we give incomplete ghunnah when mim or noon sakina are in an izhar condition. So when mim or noon sakina are recited clearly, there is ghunnah. We cannot recite letter noon or mim without ghunnah because ghunnah is their compulsory part. But in case of izhar, this is the third rank of ghunnah and the timing is shorter than the complete ghunnah. And we see some examples here. Kitabun uhkimat. When I say kitabun, I am giving noon sakina hidden in tanween and that noon sakina cannot come without the nasal sound. Ghunnah is there, but I'm not holding it for a very long time. I'm not reciting it like this. Kitabun. Not like this. I will recite it like this. Kitabun uhkimat. In the next example, letter mim is followed by letter ain and letter mim is in an izhar condition. Here I will recite letter mim with an incomplete ghunnah. I will not hold the ghunnah for a very long time and I will recite this example like this. Alaykum adabi. I cannot say that I am not giving ghunnah here because if I don't give ghunnah, the sound will be like this. Alaykum adabi. Alaykum adabi. Now I'm not giving letter mim properly. So in order to give the proper sound of letter mim, my lips will close, that's the makhraj. Then my nasal sound, which is ghunnah, which is a permanent characteristic of mim, should come with letter mim. Although I will not hold that ghunnah for a long time, I will not recite it like this. Alaykum adabi. I will not hold this ghunnah. I will give incomplete ghunnah and recite this example like this. Alaykum adabi. In the next example, letter noon sakina is in an izhar condition and I will give incomplete ghunnah here and recite it like this. Minhu. I should not be saying minhu because here I have to give incomplete ghunnah. I will recite it like this. Minhu. Minhu. And the last level is most incomplete ghunnah or ghunnah anqas. This is the shortest ghunnah of all. And we give this ghunnah when noon and mim, if they have a fatha, dhamma, kasra, or zair, zabar, pesh on them, at that time we give most incomplete ghunnah. But remember, this vowel is without shadda on letter noon or letter mim. Because when shadda comes on letter noon or letter mim, it is most complete ghunnah. But when we are talking about most incomplete ghunnah, that is when letter mim or noon have a vowel, zabar, zair, pesh, or fatha, dhamma, kasra, but without shadda. Because you cannot separate ghunnah from letter mim and letter noon. That's why even when they have vowel, ghunnah is their compulsory part. Although the timing is very short, and that's why we called this category most incomplete ghunnah. And if you want to experience the ghunnah, when these two letters are voweled, try to close your nostrils and try to say these words. That is impossible. We cannot give proper letter noon or letter mim by closing our nostrils even when they are voweled. Because ghunnah is their compulsory part. Although when these letters are voweled or have a haraka, in that case, the ghunnah is most incomplete. We will recite these examples like this. Muhajirina, ni'amata, wa'amilu, So the length of Ghunnah is not measured by haraka or counts or seconds. Rather, it is according to the speed of the recitation of the reciter. So the timing of the Ghunnah will depend on the recitation of the reciter. But one must keep in mind all these levels while reciting. And here is a graph that is showing us in case of most complete Ghunnah, we will give the longest time when there is an idgham of noon sakina happening with yanmu letters or idgham of meme or noon or meme have a shadda. And then there is complete Ghunnah. This is the second longest Ghunnah in case of ikhfa of noon sakina or ikhfa ash-shafawi or iqlab. And then there is incomplete Ghunnah. The Ghunnah is shorter in timing than complete Ghunnah, and this is for izhar of noon sakina or meme sakina. And the last one, timing is the shortest, and this only happens when noon or meme have a vowel without any shadda. I hope these rules of Ghunnah are clear to you. Insha'Allah, we will continue with the next topic in our next class. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.